Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. I'm looking at the rear brake pads for a 1999 Lincoln Navigator. A friend of mine's wife drove out of the driveway it was yesterday, out here on the farm, and you know, they don't raise cows, but if you know what a cowbell sounds like, that's what I heard when she was driving away. I'm like, that doesn't sound good. So I took a look at it, and there's the outside of the rotor, metal to metal. Yeah, we need brakes. Then I pulled off and looked at the e-brake shoes. Yeah, that looks like an e-brake shoe, right? Got the same holes. So, for now, rotor and pads, and figure out what we're going to do long term with the vehicle. Definitely need to put parking brakes, e-brake back on it, but maybe look for another vehicle.